Hi, I'm Carl Engstrand, Managing Attorney at National Injury Attorneys. And I'm here to talk to you about health insurance and how it comes into play after a car crash. When I teach younger lawyers about personal injury, I tell them that the first year, they learn about the tort itself of how to build a case. In years 2 and 3, when I'm training them, I'm teaching them about the various health insurances and how they interplay into your case. Health insurance is probably one of the more complex parts of a car crash because sometimes we have to pay it back, sometimes we don't. That's called reimbursable or subrogation. The real key here is how you get your health insurance and making sure that we put them to the test before we give them any of your hard-earned settlement money. So, a couple of different ways that people get their health insurance. Number one is employer-based. You have a health plan through your employer. Now, if you work for a fairly large employer, they might qualify under a federal ERISA law that allows them to get paid back dollar for dollar what they paid out after your car crash. Now, that's still okay. I still want to use health insurance because we get some of the benefits of a contractual adjustment that they have with the hospital. And I'll go into that in a different video. But here, the key is if you have health insurance through an employer, it might be an ERISA plan. But that's not it yet. A lot of times, plans say they qualify under ERISA. They say, yes, give me some of that settlement money. But you know what? I say, hold on a second. That's my client's money. You're really going to have to prove to me that we owe it to you before we hand it over. So they have to hand us some things like an IRS 5500, a summary plan description, and the plan document itself. A lot of times when I put them to the test, they can't come up with those. So they say, never mind. We're not reimbursable. We're not an ERISA plan. You guys keep the money. Other ways that you might get health insurance are FEBA. That's through federal employment. That falls under a little bit of a different statute or law, and so it has a little bit of different rules. TRICARE if you're military, Medicare or Medicaid, the large government plans. Those are always important to know. Also, Marketplace, if you go straight to market. So all of these are the different ways that you may get health insurance and how they play into your case. Some of them have automatic reduction requirements that lawyers might not know about if they don't do personal injury a lot. So if you've been in a crash or you have an injury and you think you might need to talk to someone about a case, give us a call over at National Injury Attorneys. I'd be happy to talk to you and see if we might be a good fit for you. That number is 800-736-5300. I look forward to talking with you then.